Hi everyone. Today we're gonna work on how to do the fraction, like how to do the math. And then if you don't get it, please watch this several times. You should be good. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda nga lelo tokosala na biso mathématique ndeni tosalaka bafraction mais eza vraiment eza bamathématique moko ya école primaire. Okay? Alors soki ozocomprendre te problème eza te. Mais avant tala oyo tala nanu bavideo mosusu oyo ya liboso après guys, I want you to watch the other video first before you can watch this, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys the answer and then we're gonna go back and then I'm gonna show you guys how we got the answer, okay? So here, uh, the answer here is simple. When we do this, okay, some people you're gonna see they put like this. They're gonna do like this to get the answer fast. They're gonna multiply this. When they multiply this one, I'm gonna show some people how they do it. Where they multiply this, okay, when they multiply this, and what happened, okay, when they multiply this, they're gonna get 63. When they multiply, and then same thing here. So we have 63. It's coming from here because they multiply this, right? And then I'm gonna show you guys when they multiply now, that's what they got. Huh? So now, what happening here? They're gonna multiply this. They're gonna multiply this. Okay, they're gonna multiply this, and then they're gonna get 14. So when they multiply this 14 is gonna go right here. Where they multiply that, and then when they multiply that, and then they're gonna multiply. Oh, sorry, they're gonna multiply this. Where they multiply this, and then what they're gonna get? They're gonna get here 27. 27, and don't forget to write this. Okay, don't forget to write that. This is the answer. So I'm gonna show you the other way of doing it to make sure that you understand. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is simple. Okay, I know it's a long way of doing it, but I want you guys to understand. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, the first thing we're gonna do, okay, I want to show you guys the easy way to show your teacher or your professor that you understand. You can do this on paper first. Now, this is what we're gonna do. I know it's a long way of doing it, but you want to show how you get the answer. What are we gonna do here? This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cause. Now we're gonna get this one. Okay? So what are we gonna do here? 7 times 9. Okay? So this is the one. Now here, what we're gonna do here is 3 times, okay, 3 times 9. Okay, this is the one. 3, this one, and this one. Okay, now we're gonna get this one. 7. Okay, so we're gonna do 2. This is the 2 times 7. Okay, now see what we're gonna face. Now the answer here is we're gonna have when you multiply this, we're gonna get 63. Okay, now since we have you look at here, this is different part. Here is a different part. Okay, so You see what we're gonna do here? Because I want you guys to know where is 63 is coming from. The 63 is coming from right here. Right here. So here we're gonna get 63 when you multiply them. And in case you don't get it, I'm gonna show you. So let me bring the calculators. Now, when we do 7 times 9 equal what? 63. Now, when we do this, we're gonna rewrite this. So what we're gonna do here, you see this 7? This fraction we're gonna write here. We wanna make sure that we write it. So here, we're gonna write this. When we do 7 times 9 equals 63, we write it right here. Okay? And don't forget to write this. Okay? Don't forget to write that. Now, this part, again, 63, we're going to put right here. Now, 3 times 9 equal what? Simple math. We don't have to use this. Okay? We don't need to use this. You can do it in your head. Simple. 3 times 9 equal 27. It's really simple. You don't have to do them. You don't have to use this. Okay? 27. Okay? Now, 2 times 7 equal what? 14. Okay? This is the answer. This is the same answer we got. But the main reason I put like this, I want you guys to understand in case you don't get it. Because sometimes when people circle like they put like this, they put like this, it's kind of confusing. Okay? So that's the answer is right there. But this is not the way of doing it. I just want to show you in case you get confused, you don't understand where's 27 is coming from, where's 14 is coming from, okay? That's the way of doing it. But most of the time, the way I did them at the beginning, that's how people do it, okay? So we're going to do the next one, okay? So the next one we're going to do is also, it's really simple too, okay? So we're going to write how many we have? 1, 2, 3 here, okay? So we're going to put, and gonna this, and that's the one we're gonna put right here. Now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna multiply this, and we're gonna multiply this. 3 times 4 equal 12. We're gonna put it 12 right here. We're gonna put it 12 right here. We're gonna put it 12 right here. Okay? Now 12 divided by 2 equal 6. Now, when we got that 6 times this 1 equal 6. Okay? What I have done is what I did. I start with this one first. 12, and then divide by 2. This is what I have done. This 12 is right here. This 2 is right here. Divide by 2 equal 6. 6 times 2 equal 12. Then I got 0. Now this is 6. This is 6. This is 6 times this one equal 6. So that's what I put here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go the next one. The 3. 3 right there. Okay. 3 divide by, in case you guys don't see it, I'm just gonna make sure you guys understand. So now we're gonna work on this. So 12 divided by 3. Now 12 divided by 3 equal what? 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. And when we do minus equal 0. This is what we got, 4. You see this 4 I put right here. 4 times 1. This 1 equal 4. Okay, so this 4 is gonna go right here on the top. Okay, so this is part number 2. Now we're gonna do this one. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do this part. Okay, so let me clean this here. So now we're gonna do this part, this one. 12 divided by 4 equal, so when we do 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. And minus equal 0. Now, with this 3, we're gonna get it, we put right here. Times 1. This 1 equal 3. Okay? This 3 is gonna go right here. This is the answer, the final answer. This is the one. Okay? Now we're gonna work on this. Okay? We're gonna work on this one. Now, what do we have to do here first? The first thing we're gonna do, you see this 3 and this 2, we're gonna multiply it. This one and this. Okay? So 3, okay, this times this is 2 equal 6. Okay? Now we're gonna write this one first. Don't forget to write this. Okay? And this and this. Now we're gonna, you see, instead of putting this 3 here, so since we multiply 3 times 2 equals 6, this is the one. We're gonna put this 6 right here and right there. Okay, we're gonna put that right there. Now, what we have to do here. So you're gonna see some people, what they do here, they do it like this. Okay, some of them they do like this. They're gonna do it like this. They multiply it like this. When they do 2 times 2 equal 4. When they multiply this, they're gonna put 4 right here. Okay? That's how they got the answer. So what they have done, this is 2 and this is 2. So 2 times 2 equal 4. This 4, this is the 1. Now they're gonna multiply this. 3 times 1. So they're gonna do 3 times 1 equal 3. And this is 3. Oh, sorry. This is 4. When they multiply this 4, it's gonna go right here. Okay, this 4 is gonna go right here. Sorry. And then the 3, it's gonna go right there. Okay, sorry. So what happened? 3, this 1 times 1, this equal 3. The 3 is gonna go right here. You see, it goes right there. That's how they do that. They do it. But some people, when they do like this, they confuse because they don't understand where to start. But my humble opinion, okay, the first thing you have to do, start the bottom first here. You start with 3, this times this is 2 equals 6. You put both sides here. And then the one here, 2 times 2 equal 4. 3 times 1 equal. Okay, now I'm going to show you another way of doing it. But It's not really the way you're supposed to do it. But just to give you guys an idea to understand. Now, the answer is going to be the same. Now, we're going to put the line here. Okay? Now, you see this is 3. 3 times 2. Now, you see this 2 here. And this. So, we're going to do 2 times 2 like that. And then we have this one. Okay? We have 3 times 1. Okay? Some of you may say, oh, wait a minute. Where are you going to put the other one? I'm coming. So, when you're done, equal. Now, you're going to put here. This, when you multiply this, you're going to get 6. You're going to get here 6. When you multiply this, you're going to get 4. Okay? And when you multiply this, you're going to get 3. But you cannot write them like this. So the easy way for you to understand, because some of you don't get it where the 6 is coming from. You don't get it. So the easy way to do it. So this is how I do it. That way you guys can understand. Okay? So the key here is this one. This one, a lot of people don't get it. To multiply, they don't get that. So what are we gonna do here? You rewrite this like this. This you put here, and you put here. Now 3 times 2 equals 6. You put here 6. You put here 6. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 1 equals 3. It's the same answer, but some people don't get it. How I end up getting this is 6. The other people don't get that. The 6 is coming from here. Easy way to do it. 3 times 2 equals 6. Right there. Now, when you go like this, you multiply. That's why you get this 4. When you multiply this like this, and you got 3. But some student, they struggle. They don't understand what. That's why it become like nightmare. Okay? So, it's easy. It's easy. So, another way to show you, to make more sense to you, the first thing you're gonna do, multiply this one first. When you multiply this, you're gonna get this 6. Okay? It's coming from there. Now, when you done this, it's finished, right? You multiply this one, it's finished. We're gonna go to the next step. Now, what you have to do here, you see these 2, this and this, you multiply them. That's why you get 4. Now you see this and this. When you multiply them, that's why you get 3. Okay? Easy. Okay? So, I just want to show you guys in case you don't get it. So, the right answer here is 4, 6, 3, 6. Okay? That's the right answer. Okay? Now we're gonna do this one. So it's simple. Okay? So the first thing we're gonna do here, it's really simple, like I said. So the first thing we're gonna do, so I'm gonna let you guys do this. when you do it, and then I want you guys to email me your answer, and then we're gonna work together. If you get them wrong, it's okay. We can do it together. So that's your homework. I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. And then in case you don't get it, I'm gonna put the answer for this online for you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna put the next video there. That way you guys know the answer. All right. So I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.